All right, what's up, everybody? It's Jack and Dan.
Today, we're going to hydro dip these shoes for my birthday.
Yeah, man, look at those big monsters. Dude, your shoes are as big as mine almost now, right? We're at a place in North Olmsted Mall called No Basis, and they do hydro dipping. We've got a pretty good deal on these bad boys.
Yep.
They're on sale for about $50, and we wanted them because they were high-top whites. All right, so there's the big monster shoes. You've been wanting to do this for quite some time, right?
Yeah, I always thought it was cool how they just like dip it in there and it just like conceals on there.
Well, this store's been here about 4 years in the mall. We pass it quite a bit when we go to the theater and that. Of course, they do shoes. Let's take a look over here. They got purses and shoes and t-shirts and all kind of things that they do. This is just a few examples of those. And then they do shirts and everything. They got all kind of cool. They also have t-shirts and stuff. This is, of course, because the pandemic. Hashtag air hug, right? Gotta love that. Cool stuff over there. Here's the desk. This is where we got everything ordered and everything. And then, of course, over here, there's a hat. And then, of course, over here, this is a station where they actually do it. And so they'll be taking your big bad shoes and dunking them in here, and they use the different paints.
Yeah, they'll take the spray paint and they'll like go.
Yeah. And you told them, well, you know, big Marvel fans, right?
Yeah.
So what colors did you pick?
Spider-Man colors, so it's going to be red, blue, black, and I'm going to keep the laces out and put them back in so it looks like the web.
Right. So it's going to be like a Spider-Man theme, of
It's
course.
like a layer, and it's just...
Yeah, it's going to be super neat. So this process actually takes about a week. We were not really certain of that. So we're dropping the shoes off today. They're going to dip them, and then they go through like a whole clear coating process, which we weren't aware of.
So like they're weather protective and they just don't get ruined as easily.
Yeah. So the shoes were $50. The hydro dipping's $50. So it's $100 for custom Spider-Man birthday shoes.
It's gonna stand there like forever.
Yeah, should be cool. So here they are. One last look. We're gonna drop them off here. We'll be back next weekend. These things are cool. Can't wait to see what they look like. You excited?
Yeah, they're gonna be bit by the radioactive spider.
They're gonna be turning into superhero shoes. It's kind of cool. They got like the beaker, make it look all sciencey and stuff, isn't it?
Science experiment.
Yeah, pretty cool. We'll be back in a week and we'll see what happens. All right, we're back at the mall to pick up your shoes. You want to take a ride on the train like you did when you were a little dude?
Yeah, it looks pretty fast.
Some sweet retro mall art.
It's pretty neat.
Pretty neat. Boom box. Then you can come with your fancy new shoes, take me on a game of giant chess in the middle of the mall real quick.
I think we should do it.
So is anybody cleaning the COVID off the chairs, the massage chairs?
No, I don't think so.
Just wondering how that's going
I
on.
don't know.
What do you think of that new mask right there?
Yeah, it's a little much.
It's a little
much.
It's a little heavy on the spikes.
much, yeah.
Less spikes.
Yeah, it's a little
Yeah,
intimidating.
it's hard to breathe through all those spikes, maybe. I don't know. Check out the drip, dude. What do we got over here?
I'm not a woman, but this personally, I like.
It's a neat little purse, isn't
I
it?
kind of like this. It's
Coke
cool.
drip.
It's nice.
Razor blade glasses. That's kind of neat.
That's pretty neat. That is.
Throw them on. Throw them on. What's up?
That's cool because you can see through it. Like, you can actually.
What about these bras over here? Think Pamela would want one of these bras?
I'm not gonna answer that question.
Madonna bra? All right, dude, we're coming up to No Basis here. Let's see if they're done, man.
Oh, there it is in the window. Finish it.
Oh, rock and roll. Look at that, dude. Yeah, they came out sweet.
Awesome.
Awesome. There's Corey. Let's go say hi, see what's going on. What's up, dude? They look sweet, man.
They look awesome.
This is Corey. What's up, Corey? You're the manager, right, dude?
What's up, guys? Yes. I am the manager here at No Basis Co.
Let's check these out, dude. You did an awesome job. So we got the Spider-Man colors. You left some of the white come through. They look awesome,
Yeah,
man.
they do. They really, really do.
How you like them,
They're a
Jack?
whole vibe. They are a whole vibe.
Yeah, that's neat, man.
They're a whole
I love the
vibe.
pattern and just how it comes out.
Yeah, honestly, these rims are really what
Yeah.
hit me. The rim of it, these colors, these little. Yeah, if you really look at the shoe, there's a lot of detail.
Then you'll have laces, and you could either use the white, or if you want, you could use colored laces like red or blue or something like that.
Yeah.
That'd be pretty cool.
I think that would be really hard. You could even honestly even do black to highlight
Black
the
laces,
checker.
yeah.
Check again.
Yeah.
You
Well, a lot
know?
of people do is they like swirl it. And that would also look
What a fun thing.
Yeah.
Look at all this other stuff you guys got, too. These are neat, too, man.
These
Look at those boots.
candles, you got candles that we were doing for Mother's Day.
Oh, you guys did Mother's Day candles?
Yeah, we used to have M
Oh, like an MOM. Oh, that's neat.
Oh,
that's cool.
For Mom.
Happy Mother's Day. Look at that.
Yeah, we did have that. The purses, obviously, you know.
Right. Right on. So how do you like how they came out, dude?
They look awesome. I mean,
Yeah?
I love the detail on the texture.
Yeah, it's neat. It's kind of cool. It's on the bottom too. It'll probably stay there for a while.
Yeah.
So they still have to dry, and then you got to put like a clear coat on them.
Yeah, just to make them shiny, just to make them pretty, just to finish them off.
Awesome.
Keep them cozy, keep them clean.
And then we'll probably just come tomorrow because they'll be all done tomorrow, and you'll be able to wear them to school on Monday.
Yes.
Boom. What are you
Super
gonna wear
cool.
with this? What do you wear?
I gotta get a whole fit set up.
Shoes.
I gotta get a whole fit set up. I gotta get
Oh.
the
Got to get your.
Yeah.
I gotta get a whole
You gotta get a whole vibe.
fit. Yeah, I know.
That's
You gotta get a
awesome.
whole vibe.
That's
Even
awesome.
if you did, I'm thinking to highlight it, maybe a light jean. Okay.
Yeah, I was figuring that
Or like a light jeans. Yeah. And I don't know if you want to do the angelic all white and let the shoes pop. But if you did, your jacket can then be red or blue.
Yes, I'll
you
wear
can
red.
even do black.
Yeah.
And that's the cool thing because black is like
It's like a pattern.
the most common color like in a closet. And with these kind of shoes, these can always be your pop for your outfit,
I can wear
which is
black.
amazing.
You're gonna have to plan this out for Monday. It's gonna
I gotta
be.
get a
Yo,
whole fit
the
whole
set up.
thing.
The walking into the front doors, the swag.
So how long have you been working here, Gordon?
I've actually been working with No Basis since its inception back in 2016 when it first was an online company. I was working with it, and then when it transferred into like a brick and mortar in a mall, I started working here as well. So I got to see this place before really blank, empty walls.
That's awesome.
To all the paint being on here, you know, creating
Yeah.
the runway, having our first fashion show. Like I literally remember seeing like a line of people down this hall.
Oh, like for the grand opening?
For when we first opened the doors.
How fun.
It was crazy to be here 4 years now, since that was 2017 and it's 2022. Just celebrating our 4 years, going into that 4th year is kind of crazy.
Totally.
For me, I mean, I grew up, you know, building this store.
That's
You know,
great.
Right out of high school, almost building this.
What else do you do, man?
So what else do? I do music.
Yeah.
So in addition to, you know, making clothing and helping other people discover their dreams through apparel, I pursue my dreams as a musician. Like this is my song right now.
This awesome beat is music.
This background music we're rocking out to
It's a
over here?
vibe.
Yes.
So
Awesome.
I just kind
That's
of
awesome.
like use some of my talents as a songwriter to kind of help come up with, you know, sayings, or, you know, I use my talents as a designer to kind of help people come up with how their clothes should look, and then I use those same kind of resources for myself. Like I use this place to do my merch too.
Yeah, it's
You know what I mean?
good.
So
Super cool.
It works for me. I made it work for me. So it's an outlet. It's
Great
another
creative
stream of-
outlet, yeah.
It's another stream of income. It's a resource. You know what I mean? And there's also like good knowledge here. You know, I learned how to be a manager. I learned how to run and operate a business. And as an artist, you know, that's a huge part of what you do that people don't really talk about.
So some of these sayings on these shirts and stuff are things that you thought up.
Yeah, you know
That's
what I mean?
awesome.
It's just like being who we are. Like I am art, protect your energy. These things are like very
It's great.
cool, very common. But you know, like when you read them, when you feel them,
Yeah.
you relate to them. You know what I mean? Like you know how versatile the saying "Okay, bet" is.
Yeah.
Okay, bet, it can mean so many different things. It's such a versatile phrase.
Right.
So when you hear it, it's like, wow, I can vibe with that. I can exist with that.
Right, just something that everyone can agree with. Not a
Yeah.
bias to anything.
Well,
No.
Jack and I know a lot about a creative outlet. One of the things we do is our aquariums and everything, right? But we
Yes.
love all forms of art, music. We
Yeah.
talk about this stuff all the time. And so this is super cool. We were thinking about trying to hydro dip these things ourselves because we've seen people do it, but we wanted to come to professional for the first
I
time.
didn't want to mess them up. I don't want to buy like $50 shoes
Yeah.
and then just totally decimate them.
Yeah, so we're glad we had you guys do it. You did an awesome job. Very cool. Maybe next time we'll try something ourselves. Maybe
You
on
know
a
what? Come here, and you know what? Especially because you guys are so cool and so fun, we'll do it together again. You know?
We might not get hydro dip stuff. We might come here again and get like shirts or something else.
yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe we could hydro dip some of my some of my
That's
the
it.
Vibrams,
Now,
right?
that's it.
Bro,
Vibrams.
I
That's
suggested that because that would actually look cool. Like that would look different.
Actually, it may actually take it to the next level. You
Yeah.
know, people aren't ready.
What colors should I do if I do my Vibrams?
If you do those, maybe I would say like a white. Get
Yeah.
something to contrast it, and then
Yeah.
like a primary color. Give you like
Purple.
whatever your favorite color is. Your
Yeah.
red, your green, your blue, your you
Yeah.
know something to make it.
Contrast.
Put it in the comments, guys. What color I should
Yeah.
hydro dip my toe shoes, my Vibrams.
Yeah.
Maybe you do like a seasonal thing, like have a row, like have a St. Patrick's Day, Christmas,
Yes.
Halloween.
So your St. Patrick's Day is green.
Right.
Your Christmas is red.
Halloween, black and orange.
Halloween is definitely black and orange. We're thinking Labor Day is white.
4th of July. that'd be
4th of
awesome.
July is red,
Oh,
white, and
my
blue.
goodness.
Get your little special little razzle dazzle.
I'm gonna have
Right,
all
yeah,
these
fireworks.
festive Vibrams.
Yeah, that'd be
What is
cute.
Cinco de Mayo?
Guys are
Cinco
awesome.
de Mayo, is that like purple? Should we go like maybe like a purple?
Like
I
we
don't
do the Mexican flag.
something like that. You know
Oh
what
my
I mean?
gosh,
Even back
you guys.
to school.
Yeah.
Even back to school shoes. I love
Awesome, guys. Well, listen, it was totally awesome meeting you. We're going to put some links in the description because you have in about a month at the end of February, there's a big kind of a winter festival with
Yeah,
all
yeah,
these
it is.
bands and artists. And we're going to
excited.
put a link in the description for that. It's called, what's it called again?
Bright winter.
Bright Winter.
Yeah.
Bright Winter. So if you're in the Cleveland area, end of February, we're going to release this before then so people can see it. Come on down. What is it? It's like $5. There's like 20 or 30 bands.
Yeah, it's really like 30 or 40 bands. It's an all-day thing. I think
Unbelievable.
It's from 11 a.m. to 10 or 11 at night. So like 12 hours of music for $5.
Wow. We may have to go to that.
Definitely gotta go.
Yeah,
We may have
it's
to go.
gonna
You know
be-
Pamela's going to want to go to that.
Yeah.
It's gonna be like 4 or 5 stages, right in the flat. So you bring your scarf, bring your hat, and bring your friends and
rock
come and
out
have
all
some
day.
fun. Yeah.
Super fun. Totally awesome meeting you, Corey. Hit it, man. Thanks again. We'll see you
Thanks
next
for having
time.
me, guys.
All right, dude. There's just a quick preview. You know, no laces or nothing, but pretty sharp, huh, dude?
It's a little moist, but it's pretty nice.
Yeah, they're gonna dry. They're gonna dry. But dude, they look kind of cool with those black pants, actually.
Yeah. They look neat.
brings out the black and the black in the shoe.
Dude, like I dig them. They're super cool. I can't wait to see. Well, you know what? We'll be seeing them in some future videos coming up, probably. But
Yes, I will wear these very often.
awesome birthday Spider-Man shoes,
Look at the
dude. Happy
bottom.
birthday, buddy.
Thanks.
Right on, dude. Sure you don't want these for your birthday instead? Slipper. Look, it's Nike.
Pretty thick there. Thick.
Probably don't work too good in snow and stuff, though.
No, no.